What's the meaning of bullet? Bullet. Bullet.
Bullet. Bullet. A bullet is a small, metal projectile designed to be fired from a gun. When a firearm is discharged, a bullet is propelled out of the barrel at high speed and can be lethal upon impact with a target. Bullets come in many different shapes and sizes depending on the intended use, such as hunting, self-defense, or military operations. The term bullet can also refer to a point form of information, such as in an article or presentation, used to emphasize important points. In general, bullets are associated with speed, power, and impact, and are often featured in popular culture as symbols of danger and excitement.